This is how dark it's gotten. Ah! And the rain is coming in through the door. Oh my word, this is stunning. I can't go out because I will get wet. Well, my phone will, I don't care.